Hello everyone, welcome. This is Engineer Geoffrey. Today I will show you how to do page setup in a layout. So you can see here I have several layouts for beams, slab, columns, foundation, etc. I will show you how you can do this in a proper manner. So you can see all the drawings and how they have been organized here in different layouts. So what you need to do is to come here and create new layout. So I will go to the new layout. You can see this viewport here. I will delete this one so that we can insert our own viewport. So to insert our own viewport, you can see this working layout here. So we need to click here, layout. Then you can see insert viewport. So you can either type the command mview or click here rectangle. So I will just use rectangle, then drag my viewport up to this point. Then I can double click inside the viewport so that I can select the image. So you can either right click, zoom, then right click again, zoom, extend. So you can see now our drawings have been zoomed. So we want to create a beam and slab layout. So I will select this one, the beam layout for typical second, third, fourth and fifth row, and the slab layout for the same typical second, third, fourth and fifth row. So I will start with beam layout. So you need to let me first escape to type the command zoom. So I will pick this object here, then I can select the object I want to zoom, then hit enter so that zoom object. Let me type the command again, zoom, then this is the command, then select object, then I'll select this object, enter. Then to get out of this viewport I will type PS, that is PS space. Now you can see I'm out of the viewport and my drawing is fit on my viewport. So we will insert the slab layout. I will click again rectangle, drag it from this point to that point. Then I can click inside, can click this pan, then I can right click, zoom, extend. So I will escape, type the command zoom, and then object, then I will select my object, hit enter. Then to get out of this viewport I can just click outside, double click outside the viewport, or double click on the viewport. So you can see now we can go to page setup. So you can see the option here, page setup. Then I can modify. So I will select, I can select here AutoCAD high quality print. Then I can select, I usually print a one size paper, so ISO A1 landscape, that is 841 by 594. Then here I can choose window, then I will select, let me choose window, and I'll select from that point to that point, and I can choose center the plot, fit to paper. Then if you need a colored paper, you can select this one, AutoCAD CTB. But if you need the black and white paper, you can select monochrome CTB. So let us preview. You can see how our drawing is going to look like. So let me escape. Let's change this one to monochrome. Then let us preview again. You can see our drawing is now going to be black and white paper. So you can either print portrait or landscape, so that is okay. Then close. Then you can go, if you want to lock, you can lock your viewport so that someone will not modify it by mistake and make you repeat the entire process. So that's how you can do page setup in a layout in AutoCAD. If you like my video, do consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and I will see you in another video like this one. Thank you.